Hi, I'm Kripakran. I'm working on history. History is an automatic knowledge base created out of bookmarks, notes, highlights, and optionally your web browsing history. Um, so today's update is yesterday. Oh yeah, we got 2 paid users yesterday, which is really exciting. Very happy about that. And actually, I ended up spending a lot of time editing the video I made yesterday, which sucked up all my free time. So I didn't get much else done. Not doing that again. Lesson learned. Um, Today I'm going to be working on the highlights feature. I'll continue to make progress on that. One cool thing that I wanted to share is I find myself using history more and more myself personally for my regular, day-to-day stuff, which is really exciting because I'm not trying to make myself do that or anything like that. It's just I just find myself using it, which is a really good sign, and I'm very excited for it. For example, when I looked at those Fiverr people, I shared that video yesterday. I had to go through a bunch and try to decide. And I didn't even plan it. I just opened up history and then used that to track all the people I looked at and to narrow down and a short list and then pick some. Um, Today, I found myself researching a product roadmap tool that I can use for history to get feedback from users about the things that I'm working on history and what they would like me to work on. Trello just only goes so far. And I don't even know if Kanban board style thing, which Trello is the right approach for that. So I started doing some research, and there are a few out there, and I found myself creating a new history notebook and adding those links there. And then I added the pricing and everything there. And then I thought, hey, this is something that my friends might be interested in because they're thinking of starting a B2B startup. Um, and they've been thinking of ideas, and it seemed like um, these set of links would be useful for them as research. So I just shared that with them, and so we're excited. I'm just sharing this because um, there is that use case that can harness your research and make it more powerful. And I find myself gravitating to that. I just need to find a way to get this in front of a lot of people who have that need. And then I need to be able to explain that better. So I'll think more about that. And as I explain more here on video, maybe it'll get fully fleshed out. Speaking of that, the description I have for history, you would have seen that it has evolved a bit since I first started. When I first started talking about it, I said various things. I said automatic knowledge base. Knowledge base means different things to different people. But the current description I have, I'm pretty happy with. And then I didn't really try to come up with it. I just kept saying different things every day, and then it seems like it has improved automatically. I love the things that improve automatically because you do them a few times. So the description I have now is what I said earlier. History is an automatic knowledge base created out of bookmarks, notes, highlights, and optionally your web browsing history. I added optionally because I had a meeting with someone who tried history, and he thought that the browsing history tracking is like the main part, and the rest of the that's what it's all about, which is it's not. It's just an additional data that you can provide to enhance your knowledge base. But if you don't want to, you can use the other notes and highlights features, right? So yeah, this has been very interesting for me to see this sort of change and progress. So that's it for today. I'm trying to keep it short so I can focus on coding. So talk to you soon. Bye.